So it has been a long ass day. I'm in Hiroshima and I am actually at the airport. So the thing is, a typhoon is heading to Japan and I was not even sure if I was gonna make it on the flight because of so many flights being delayed, and the fact that where I headed, which is here in Hiroshima, that's where the typhoon was heading. That's where the typhoon is heading actually. It's a little windy outside, like, yeah. And luckily for me, I'm meeting up with this Jamaican girl that I met on social media. I'm actually gonna be meeting up with her while I'm in Hiroshima, and I'm gonna move to Kyushu. I have not even planned my trip to Kyushu fully yet, but you know, I'm just bringing it because it's by myself. But anyway, so now today just meeting up with her. Hopefully the typhoon can pass so that we can enjoy ourselves tomorrow in Hiroshima. First of all, the flight was horrible. Turbulent. We had a lot of turbulences. These are turbulences. We had a lot of turbulence, and it felt like, you know, when you're on a roller coaster, or yeah, so it was like up and down, you know, like your heart, your belly button would drop out. That's how it felt, and I hated it. That was maybe my worst flight ever, and it was only 1 hour and 15 minutes. First of all, it was delayed as well, so yeah, it was delayed. So we actually landed late, which is, I am completely fine with landing late, because at one point we were actually going to, at one point I was actually worried about it being cancelled because of the fact that, you see, like, let me tell you guys, things just worked out so perfectly, because if I didn't agree to meet up with the girl today, I would have headed straight to Kyushu, and Kyushu is where the typhoon is like most powerful right now. And almost all of the flights, like when I was checking the flights, make sure that my flight is still on, almost all the flights were cancelled to Kyushu. So if I actually was doing my original plan, which is go to Kyushu directly, then I would not have made it here today. So I'm happy that I actually decided to, you know, come to Hiroshima first, because there's some things that I want to do in Hiroshima. Although Hiroshima is not really, you know, like, it's just a very few things that I want to do here. But anyways, even for me rambling, I'm waiting on my ride, and then I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a memory card, because apparently nothing came. No memory card came in the camera thing. Anyways, I'm gonna head back inside because she's 30 minutes away, so I'm gonna just go sit and relax until she comes.
Meet you here online, oh no. 3 other guys on hold. What's your favorite scene? Is it with Megan Fox or Charlie Chaplin? Oh well, another guy, no style. Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today, yeah, yeah. Time with the protects you sent. Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well, it's just a one night stand. 1, 2, 3, oh hi. It's nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 5 other guys on hold. Then you ask me for my IG, send a little voice.
I still have on mask, so I'm gonna go relax a little, freshen up, and then I'm gonna head out on the road. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm gonna go eat something because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten any lunch, and it's now, what time is it? It's probably, can't even check my phone. It's probably like 6, almost 7 o'clock in the night. So yeah, I'm hungry, starving. Oh, this is a Hawaiian place. This is where we're gonna be having dinner. You wanna see on camera, girl? No? Okay, I'm not gonna show her, guys. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner here. Let's see. It looks empty though. Oh yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, they're empty. That's amazing.
Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature.
Guys, so we we're back at the hotel right here. It's windy as F. Like literally, there we stopped at this stoplight and there was this man on a bicycle, and the man literally had to come off the bicycle and does because the wind was carrying the man away, and it actually jerked the car. But anyways, I want to take a walk down this street. Maybe I'm gonna put up, because I have some leftover food. I'm gonna put it back, put it in the hotel, and I'm gonna take a walk, because even though it's windy, I like it. It feels good, you know. And I've never been here before, and I'm not coming back, so might as well I just, you know, enjoy it. Because the night is still young. Guys, we were walking the neighborhood and we found this place.
Okay, jaywalking.
You know, go on illegal walk. We found this castle. Is it a castle? And then there's another one, or is it a, maybe, yeah, it looks like the castle. This is like a castle. So
It's Fukuyama Castle.
okay. Oh yeah, this is the thing that you were telling me about. Was it this? Or was it the museum you were taking?
Oh, the museum is
Wow. This is cool though. You see, that's why I wanted to take a walk, because I like this. I know it's kind of dangerous, but hope nothing flies in our heads. That's okay. Oh, this is a train. Oh, Fukuyama. There's no what?
There's no lovely ass me.
Yeah, local. Should I have my camera on? Quality would have been so much better. Yeah. It was. Typhoon. Like usually, like normal, because usually when they say typhoon is coming, it's just a little wind, and then within 2 hours it gone.
In
But-
Matsura, there's a bridge that I have to cross to go home, and I tell them, crossing that bridge, I have to hold on because it will blow me up, literally. Like,
It's nice to walk back to the hotel, because we were chilling up by the castle right there and talking and whatever. So now I'm gonna head back to the hotel and take. Hey guys, so it's another day, and as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs. So we have decided not to do anything, well, not much today, but I'm heading to Dice because I need to get some stuff, and we're gonna get some food, and we're gonna head back to the hotel. So pretty much the day is kind of ruined. It's about midday now. Yeah, guys, so not much to do today. Windy and rainy and all of that. I did that sunset on terrace. Anyways, luckily for us, the place that we're going is right next to the hotel. I'm trying to find that mango one. The mango one is very good. This one is a mixture. I'm getting this. I love them. Okay. No, I'm not buying it. I'm sorry. I'm not spending almost 500 yen on a pizza, on a healthy steak. If it was a mango by itself, then yeah. So no, I'm not getting it.
on the camera because they're gonna get
Testing. Hey guys. Hey guys. What's up? How you doing? What's up? Yeah, it's focusing on my thing. So I need to look down on here. Alright, let me test. Okay, alright, finish. Guys, excuse my crazy looking hairstyle, but my friend is gone, and it means that now officially my solo trip has started. So I'm doing my nails right now, and then I'm gonna edit a video that I will be uploading pretty soon, so you probably would have already watched that video anyways. But yeah guys, like I am here in Hiroshima by myself, and this is what I actually wanted. But now that I got it, it's like I don't want to be alone in a hotel by myself, you know. But I need this to grow. So I'm here. I'm solo tripping in the southern part of Japan. It's raining. No, I hope that it will stop raining by tomorrow, so that at least I can travel freely and don't have to think about trains being delayed and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just call it a day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I actually go into Hiroshima City, and then I'm gonna leave from Hiroshima City and go to Fukuoka. And then in Fukuoka, I don't know, I'll just wing it and see what happens. Anyways guys, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm in Hiroshima City, and I took a bus this morning to come here from Fukuyama. Yeah, I came here because I wanted to see Peace Memorial Park, which is like a very like historic place for the Japanese people. So I came here to just, I guess, enjoy the view. I was on a bus for like 2 hours, and I'm hungry. I wanted to get some food before I come here, but everywhere is like closed until, like, the food that I want, they're not available until about maybe 11 o'clock. I know it's always after 11 because I walked here. It's like 10 minutes from Hiroshima station, so that's good. So by the time I like explore whatever, okay, do not enter alarm system. The alarm system do not enter. When I head back up, I should be okay to eat and all. So exactly what it is. A bomb exploded here in 1945. Is this a museum or something? Can you imagine if I was walking with my backpack and my carry-on? I don't know what this is. Oh, it says monument in memory of Korean victims of a bomb. Oh, I see. The peace bell. Okay, so I am about to leave Hiroshima right now because like I did not research Hiroshima that much, so I don't know where else I can go. So I'm gonna try and get some food, and then I'm gonna jump on the Shinkansen. So I'm gonna be taking the Shinkansen for the very first time ever since I've been here in Japan for what, 4 years. I've never taken the Shinkansen because I usually take an airplane because the airplane is usually cheaper. But anyways, so I'm gonna get some food. I don't know where I'm gonna go. And also guys, I just got an email from my company, well, my ex-company, saying that they contacted, let me see the lighting, Okay, so as you guys know, if you guys have been following me, you don't know that I moved out of my apartment. According to them, I damaged some lighting, like the ceiling light in the main room. I damaged an internal post. You know, like when, for me, my apartment, they can put the mail inside on the door, so the door post. And what else? I lost a key, so definitely I took responsibility for the key. I damaged our remote, the light remote, but I did not do anything to the door thingy and whatever. And these people are gonna wanted to charge me a lot of money. So I was like, okay, I do not accept this. And the company and the housing company, my ex-employer, so my ex-employer and the housing company, they negotiated and they cut back on it. So now these people are gonna, so basically what I'm gonna tell you guys is, the housing people want to charge me $6,000 to dispose of the lighting. Can you imagine 6,000 yen to just throw away something? Like, them sick me. Anyways, so I'm paying 6,000 yen just to dispose of something. That makes no sense. But at least I'm glad that they're not charging me 18,000 along with some other charges. But guys, if you're coming to Japan, make sure you because I do have a video of when I just moved in. So if they were like talking about shit or whatever, not believing me, I would have sent them the video that I got. So when you move into, like, it just goes for anywhere. Once you move into a rental property, always make sure you have evidence, and the evidence that you have, make sure that you have a timestamp on it, so that if you want to take pictures and then email it to yourself, at least you have that record, or just in case you want to try and make your foot bills that they did not, because my apartment was freaking old and whatever, and they want me to pay for something I didn't do. Oh hell no. Anyways, back to my vacation. On vacation mode. So guys, I am gonna be starting a photography page because I'm like, I got this camera. I've been thinking about it for a while, but because I'm not good at photography, but I'm just doing it for fun. And I feel like, you know, when I go places, I might want to take pictures, not of myself, but like just what I'm seeing in front of me. So I've decided to do that, and I'm gonna be linking, I don't know what the name will be, but I'm definitely gonna be doing it tonight, because I feel like I'm gonna have extra time when I go to the hotel. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload all the pictures maybe in one go, and then I got distracted because people passed by. Yeah, I'm gonna upload everything in one go because I don't have time to be posting once per day and whatever. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys. I was just gonna go on the Shinkansen, but then I decided, okay, let me just go and see Hiroshima Castle. So that's what I'm gonna do, the 100 meters. Okay, I'm gonna go to the castle, but this part is 900. I was looking at the garden, but that's 900 meters. Nope, that's too long. So I'm gonna just go to Hiroshima Castle while I'm in Hiroshima. I feel like I have not done much in Hiroshima. And yeah, like I came here, I flew here, and I just feel like I'm not doing enough. So instead of me jumping on the Shinkansen and heading to Fukuoka, which would be my next prefecture, I'm going to Kyushu, guys. So before I head there, I'm gonna just see if I can probably spend one more hour here, because it's 12:44 now. I don't want to be here too late because I feel like I need to like sort out some stuff for next week. Wait, where am I? Let's see. Where's the, oh, the castle is right here. Nice. Wow, I'm very glad that I came here because I was not expecting water and all of that. Let me go. Where's my castle? Hey guys, so this is Sachoney from the future. So I have some bad news. Unfortunately, I pressed something on the camera, so the audio was not working. It was not recording the audio. So for the remainder of this video, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. And I don't remember what I was saying in this clip. Maybe I was talking about Hiroshima Castle's scenery or something like that. But for the most part, I'm gonna try my best to narrate. I'm trying to remember what I was saying in the different clips.
To your massage.
Okay, so there was a section of the castle that I could actually enter, so that was pretty awesome. I think for this castle, photos are not allowed in certain sections, so I could not get to show you guys a lot of the stuff. But typically in Japan, like castles, they always have the same theme, like they're showing different photos or some type of like suits or just some, what should I say, some art pieces in the castle, that's based on the history of that castle. So it's pretty much the same, but like I said, not everywhere had like the option for you to record or show photos. So everywhere that I could record, I did. So that's why you guys can see the sign that said photo okay. So it means that I got to go ahead to record or to take pictures or and so on. There is an observation deck at the top of the castle, so I was able to go all the way up there to view Hiroshima because it was so high up that I could get a beautiful view of the city. I think I was the only one that was up there at the time. Guys, I don't like heights, but I don't know why I always find myself at the top of different things. But yeah, so it was very beautiful, like a beautiful view. If I had gone there in autumn, then it would have been even more beautiful with the golden leaves and all of that. But yeah, nonetheless, it was still nice to see, you know, the city. Okay guys, so initially I had said that I was gonna take the Shinkansen. Excuse my heater, it just turned on by itself. But anyways, I had said that I was gonna take the Shinkansen to Kyushu, but when I went to the ticket office, I thought that I was gonna be purchasing a Shinkansen ticket, but instead I was purchasing a bus ticket. And I was like, okay, it's fine because it's much cheaper than the Shinkansen, although it's gonna take a longer time, but at least I got the same money. So I actually took the bus to Fukuoka. And this is the view along the way. The good thing about taking the bus is that we stopped at a few places just for like a restroom and also to purchase like if we needed snacks and so on, so we could actually stretch our legs. I honestly don't remember how long I don't know what I'm doing right here, but I don't remember how long it took for me to get to from Hiroshima to oh yeah, great. So I guess I'm showing you guys how long it's gonna take. So it's 2 hours and 33 minutes remaining in this journey, and that's the route. Yeah. Okay guys, so still no sound. So I arrived safely to Fukuoka, and here I'm giving you guys a hotel tour. I did not like this hotel because it was very small and very very old. Like I don't mind small, but when it's small and old, hell no. And I think like I was just not comfortable in this hotel. I don't remember how long I stayed here for. Oh yeah, I'm already paranoid when I go to hotels. I don't like to touch anything because like I just feel like everything is dirty. I really wish I remembered what I was saying right here. Guys, can you read lips? Anyway, so I was showing you guys the bathroom and some other places. So let me just speed through that process. Alright guys, so I decided to head out on the road to get some food because I was traveling for most of the day, and I am showing you guys the scenery outside of the hotel. And this is the hotel that I stayed at. It's called Sun Life Hotel. The lobby area looks really modern and nice, but the rooms are small and ugly and old. But anyways, I stayed in Fukuoka, well, near to Fukuoka station. That directly in front of the hotel was the Fukuoka station. This is where I went to eat like breakfast, lunch, dinner, because it's a very very big station and it has many different types of restaurants. Well, mostly ramen restaurants. Like ramen is like is it ramen? I think yeah, ramen is a very popular food in Fukuoka. So I had ramen like almost every day because that was like the only thing that I really was comfortable eating. But yeah, this is, you know, like ramen that I had one night. But anyways guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and look out for my other videos coming soon. Bye.